Okay, so we're here at the house. I'm gonna start in the corner. So this is what it looks like down the side. There is a box right there, so we know that's for sure the property line. The house is, quite small. I brought my husband with me to look at it because they said that it needed to be resurveyed, or we need to resurvey to 115 by 115, which we were told that it goes clear to this cone. And then back to, we've got a pomegranate tree, a couple of them. I mean, so technically those are on, if it goes to that cone. But see, you've got your power box, and it goes all the way back to the big tree in the back. So let me go back here. And that is a square, if that's the case. I'm not sure if it's really 115 by 115, but there is a marker. Should be another cone or a flag. There's a flag right there, or a marker. And then, so it'll go straight. So it's like right in front of this big tree. Should be another flag right here somewhere. See, so we have these right there. So it's this property all the way in front. So you have trees, you have grapes, pomegranates, and a great big side yard. Because the house really is, it's kind of small. It sits on a basement. And you got all that side yard.